In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count cells in Microsoft Excel. Counting data accurately is an essential skill when working with spreadsheets, especially when managing orders, products, or inventory lists. Excel provides several counting functions, and each one is designed to handle a specific type of data. In this example, we'll use an order table that contains order ID, product, and quantity columns so you can clearly see how each function behaves with real data. Let's start with the count function. Count is used when you want to calculate how many cells contain numbers only. It completely ignores text entries and blank cells. Looking at the quantity column in our table, several rows contain numeric values such as 12, 95, 24, and 10. When count is applied to this column, the result is 11 because there are 11 cells that contain numbers. Any empty cells or text values are excluded from the calculation. Next is COUNTA. This function counts all non-empty cells, meaning it includes both numbers and text. In our quantity column, one of the entries contains the word unknown instead of a number. Because COUNTA counts anything that is not blank, the result becomes 12. This includes every filled cell regardless of whether the content is numeric or text-based. Now let's look at COUNT_blank. As the name suggests, this function counts the number of empty cells within a selected range. In our table, there are two rows where the quantity field is blank. When COUNT_blank is used on the quantity column, Excel returns a value of 2, helping you quickly identify missing data. Moving on to COUNTIF, this function allows you to count cells based on a single condition. For example, if we examine the product column and count how many times ballpen appears, COUNTIF scans the entire column and returns 3 because ballpen shows up in 3 different rows within the dataset. Finally, we use COUNTIFS, which evaluates multiple conditions at the same time. Instead of checking just one requirement, it counts rows where all conditions are true together. For instance, if we count rows where the product is ballpen and the quantity equals 24, Excel checks both columns simultaneously. Only one row meets both conditions, so the result returned is 1. This demonstrates how COUNTIFS focuses on matching criteria within the same row rather than counting individual values separately. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.